if you're trying to grow and monetize your YouTube, this video is very critical, okay? Meaning that it is for you, okay? So if you are on that space and you are trying to grow your YouTube fast and monetize it, then you have to stay tuned to what I have to say. I've come with these two updates that you can't resist. These two updates is gonna help you, okay, to grow your YouTube channel. So without wasting much time, let's just dive into what this update is all about. Now, the first thing you want to do before we even dive in, okay, I want to tell you that so many persons have actually used this method and it's working for them, okay. It is a method that is working, that has been tested and trusted, okay. Yes, if you're that creator that is so burnt out with, every time you're thinking about what to create, how to create something that will go viral, okay. Yes, this method I'm about to share with you is gonna work for you. I'm also trying the method. I'm using the method, okay. So it's gonna be working for you. I have 3 YouTube channels. And I'm using this method on all of them. It's working, okay. Yes. So we're going to be talking about them now. What I want you to do is to make sure you make use of everything I'm going to be saying in this video, okay. Yes, you can call it a cheat, okay. Yes, trying to, but it is a cheat that works, okay. So you have to look at it and see. So let's just dive into it now. The first update, or the first thing you want to do, or the first change you have to do if you're not doing it is this. If you're that creator that is creating everything, you are creating everything that you come across, everything you come across, vlog, maybe you're going to market. Let me vlog today, let me just vlog. You are vlogging, but you're going to market, okay, and then afterwards you post it, okay. You maybe you are invited for a wedding, you went for a wedding, and then you video yourself and then you post it. And you went to watch football, video yourself, you went and you posted it. All those things, if that is what you are doing, now it means that you do not have any niche. So you are posting what comes across, what comes to mind. You're just posting randomly. So if you are doing that, this thing I'm about to say now is not for you. What you need to do is that you need to reschedule, okay. Yes, go back to the drawing board and then reschedule, replan, okay. Yes, how do you do that? You have to look for a niche that you like so much, a niche that you have passion about, a niche, something that you like talking about, something that draws your attention, something that makes you to come to YouTube, comes to Facebook to watch about the stuff. Maybe you want to start creating something on it. What I'm trying to say is that you need to have a niche, okay. Have a niche that talks about a particular thing, okay. Yes, that is how this thing is going to work for you. Because number one is that if you don't have a niche, you are confusing the algorithm, you are confusing the YouTube algorithm. Because today you are posting this one and the algorithm is trying to find people that love for what you are posting. You now went ahead to post another thing the next time. Algorithm will be confused, your viewers will be confused, because this day you got viewers on people that love this kind of thing. The next day those viewers will come back and then you're posting what they don't like. You'll be losing views and rest of that. It happened to me. I was posting viral things, I was posting random things, and it actually affected me because I keep getting these views, and today high view, low view, and what have you. So you have to maintain one niche. That is one thing, that is one of the changes or updates I'm giving you, okay. And algorithm loves it when you are focused on one thing and you're talking about it, okay. So that is the first thing you need to do. Change your niche, okay. Be focused on one thing. Now the second update, or the second change that you do that will help you to get monetize faster on YouTube is this. You have to look for people, because most persons are so tired of looking for what to make, like what to to dish out. Most persons are tired of it. So what you need to do is to look for people, okay. Go to YouTube, okay. Yes, you can follow me as I'm doing that. So you look for people that are doing what you love, okay. Look for people that are doing what you love, and then search for them. Okay, people look for people that are doing what you want on YouTube. Let's say, let's look at faceless YouTube. I already have it here. Faceless YouTube, and then this is it. So we have so many videos here on faceless YouTube. Okay, so you can just let's look at this one. Look at this very one that is already playing. Okay, this very one. So you can look at the number of views, about 320,000 views. Okay, this person got 300,000 views. So you can look at what this person is doing. You can see that this person is doing well. Okay, and it is the person is also in the same niche as yours. Okay, yes, copying what somebody is doing and then recreating it in a very nice way is not bad. It is not bad. After all, why do we have role model? Why do we have role model? Right? Yes. You want to behave. So if someone is doing well, you can go through their channels, okay, and start, recreating, just recreate what they are creating, right, in your own way. I didn't say you should do copy and paste though. Don't do copy and paste, but pick 1 or 2 points. Okay, the titles, you can change the titles. The thumbnail, you can change the thumbnail. Okay, recreate it and then start using it. Okay, we have so many faceless channels here, so many of them, and they are not doing bad. Okay, so if you want to create your niche, we're talking about faceless channels. Okay, you can see good number of them here. This one got about 272 views. Okay, yes, so you can look at what she did and then try to recreate it. Okay, yes, make sure your thumbnail is outstanding. Okay, because the most important thing is not really what you are saying in the video. The most important thing is what attracts people to view. Okay, what attracts them to stop by. Okay, because YouTube is like a street. Okay, people are passing through that place and they see this your shop and it's so attracting and they stop to see what is inside. So what matters is what is inside. Okay, your thumbnail is the number one thing that will attract them. Okay, your thumbnail should be the number one thing that will attract people to want to watch. So if you don't have a good thumbnail or a good caption, like your thumbnail caption should be what attracting, hooking. Okay, yes. So if it's not, then so you have to make sure you have a very good thumbnail, a very good title that will attract them. So see what these people are doing. Okay, recreate what they are doing and start creating. With that, you start going viral. As long as their videos are doing well and you are recreating, okay, what they have created in your own way, there's no way you will not also go viral. There's no way. There's no way. Just try it for like 90 days. Okay, be consistent for 90 days, recreating what has worked, what is working, doing what has worked and what is working. There's no way it will not go well. Now, before we continue, have you subscribed? Kindly click the subscribe button. Okay, hit the button and stay tuned always to my videos. Okay. Yes. So this is it. There is nothing. Okay. This is what you just need to do. Look for what is working. Okay. We can look at content that has to do with cooking. Let's look at cooking. Cooking. Okay, let's see what we've got there. Okay, now this is cooking videos. Okay, and it's doing, oh my god, look at this one, 11 million views. Okay, look at this one, 5 million views. Okay, so if this is what you want to do, okay, you love cooking and you want to do this, watch what they did. This is working already, and they're always the one in millions. Look at this one. Look at this very one, 3.2 million views. Look at this one, 2.9 million views. And they are very long. This one is almost 13.47 minutes. This one, 10.36 minutes. Okay? So if you can recreate what is already working, okay, recreate what is already working, yours will work. It is already working. So you watch it and you recreate it. Have a very nice thumbnail for it. and boom, you're gonna be doing well. Okay, so instead of you thinking, saying you are burnt out, you are tired, you don't know what to post again, blah blah blah, this and that, this is it. Go for what is already working on YouTube and start recreating it. These are the updates I have for you, okay? Yes, these are the updates I have for you. Change your niche. Have a niche, okay? Stop posting randomly and then go in, search for what you like, and then start doing what is working in those people's channel. Recreate it and start what? Getting views and going viral on YouTube. So if you like what we are doing here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like I said, subscribing is for free. You're not paying to subscribe, and your data will not finish if you subscribe. So subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Okay, I'm still your friend Sylvia. If you have any questions to ask me, feel free to leave that on the comment section. I see you in my next video. Bye.